Tired of stubborn stains and pet hair ruling your floors? Introducing the DREAME X40 Ultra. Experience unparalleled cleaning power with its 12,000 Pascal suction and innovative liftable mop. The X40 Ultra side brush and 158 degrees Fahrenheit mop and washboard self-cleaning system ensures a spotless home effortlessly. Plus, with auto empty and auto refill features, you'll enjoy a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Don't just clean, revolutionize your cleaning routine. Get your DREAME X40 Ultra today. Check the first comment to buy now.